Hi everyone, Kima here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very fun one. I am going to be showing you 6 classy, gorgeous, elegant, decadent ways to tie your scarves to really bring your outfits to life and to keep you looking overall just beautiful and fabulous. Let's get right into it. Alright, so this first look we have a square scarf. I will put the sizing of each scarf in the description down below. And what you're going to do is fold a triangle, and then after folding a triangle, you're going to kind of like just layer it slightly. So one side is a little bit shorter than the other. We are going to place it over or shoulders. And once you've placed the scarf over your shoulder, you are going to make a nice little tie right here. Just a little knot. This is one way you can actually wear your scarf over your dresses, over your sweaters, over your coats, and it has a nice, beautiful V in the back. Now to change that look a little bit, you're going to bring the scarf into your hands, make it almost like an elongated oval. And you're going to do one single twist, and you're going to bring this second twist over your head. Once it goes over your head, you're now in that space to shape it into a nice little, almost like double circle around your neck. So for me, I like just kind of like layering the bottom ring and then having that top one sit on it in a nice fluffy way. Now the beauty in this tie is going to be in the knot and that little rectangle area at the end. Now this is perfect if you're wearing your hair up, but if your hair is mostly down like mine, all you have to do is just pull the scarf around right to the shoulder bone and let that rectangle sit just beneath your shoulder and the knot matching it up right here. Gonna make sure my collar is nicely laid. And again, you could play around with fixing the corners how you want it. I don't mind my raw edges showing, and just make sure, the biggest thing is just making sure that this knot is kind of like in alignment with that. You can also bring it down a little bit more if that makes you a little bit comfortable, so it has a nice little side drape in. My collars are popped in and I'm good to go. You can also choose to do it all the way center if you like. So you can have it all the way in the back, you can have center, you can have it on either side. Whichever way you prefer works. You can mix it up. Sometimes it's on the side, sometimes it's in the back, especially if your hair is up, sometimes it's in the front. Now for this next tie, what I like to call like almost like a sailor tie, I'm going to use a weirdly shaped scarf, but you can use any smaller scarf that you may have. I'm going to fold it into what looks like almost like a necktie scarf. I'm going to place that scarf around my neck, and then I'm going to center it, making sure that both ends are even. And what I'm going to do is kind of like just measure both of it out. I am going to flip one side underneath and over. And then I'm going to pull it to make sure that I have a nice little grip. And I'm going to use the other one. I'm going to create a loop and fold it through the loop and then create a knot. Some scarves will give you more of a really nice, neat, almost like a tie fold. But this one is more of like a loose, fun scarf. So you're not going to see the full-on tie fold, but it still does and operates and give the same effect. Now I'm going to flush out both ends, just kind of like open it up so that we can have the ends kind of like fold out nicely to give that really chic sailor look. You can tuck it in if you want to, or you can leave it open just to kind of like give it like a sailor open feeling vibe. Like think about floating down on a boat. You can shift it to the side, which I like to do, because it gives it like a little bit of like a, I don't know, a little bit of a oomph or touch towards the side. You can style it with different shirts, different types of shirts. I'm wearing a collar shirt here. You can do a t-shirt. You can do a sweater. You can do any kind of neckline with this, what I would call like a sailor tie. So this is such a fun, easy way you can achieve this look by using any small scarf that you have in your closet. You can also use a twilly to create this, but I do like a scarf that flushes out a little bit more. All right, this next way to tie your scarf is what I like to call a layered tie. I like to tie my scarf this way when I'm layering outfits, like I'm wearing two pieces at the top, or if I'm wearing something like a V-neck and I need that extra kind of coverage in the V. You're going to take an oversized square scarf, you're going to fold it into a triangle. You're going to put that triangle at the front of your neck and you're going to twist both ends opposite direction and bring it forward. You're going to take one end, you're going to create a loop, just kind of like a small enough loop that your thumb can fit through. This way you can use the other end to go through the loop. Now you're going to use the opposite end. You're going to put it through that loop. Try not to have the loop tighten. This way it's easier for you to just push that loop up to grip both ends nicely. As you can see here, I kind of like gripped it a little bit too hard, so it makes it a little bit tedious. The thing with tying scarves, it's not hard. It's just about adjusting, reacting, and perfecting it your way. And it doesn't need to be perfect. A disheveled, effortless look is always good. Now, once you have that tie, I like to layer up. Like I said, I could be wearing a V-neck top. I like this type of tie. Or something like a vest that I'm layering on and I want to give that chic look at the neckline. I like popping out the ends. You can keep them in if you want. And now it's bothering me that the tag on my scarf is on that end. But no worries, you can keep it inside if you want. I like leaving mine outside, having the two ends just kind of like flush out for a little bit. Love this way of tying my scarf. You can also do this on a naked neckline. Let's say during the spring or summer months. It's still going to be really chic and classy. But really, you can tie this way over any piece of clothing or item that you like or prefer. Next up, I have a square scarf, and this one is really simple and easy, especially if you're intimidated tying scarves, and it will make any outfit look even more classy and chic. So you're going to fold both ends to meet in the middle and then fold both ends again. And so it's going to come out looking somewhat like a tie. What you're going to do is just kind of like center it. You're going to put it over our neck and just make sure that it is nice and flat. And so you have it nice and flat here, and what you're going to do is to bring it together at the neckline for a straight line, and at the end we're going to use any kind of jewelry that will fit nicely on the scarf. It could be a scarf tie, a scarf button, a scarf ring, anything that you have, any piece of jewelry. I like using scarf rings or an actual ring. This is an actual ring. And what you're going to do is just put both ends in, and we're going to slide it all the way up to the neck. Once we get up to the neck here, and just make sure it's nice and solid, we're going to have two sections that we can just flush out, making sure that this part is on the underside. And what we're going to do is just open up the top so it almost flushes out like a wider tie. Again, we're going to open up the other side, and that way you get a nice little fluffed out, lush looking placement on your outfit. I love the ring detail here as a piece of jewelry on the scarf, elevating the overall look. Okay, this next way I like to call my little tucker. I love this way of tying my scarf. You're going to fold again, create almost like a tie-like fold with the scarf like the previous one. You're going to create a loop on one end. Make this loop a little bit bigger where a couple fingers can fit through the loop. Just have a nice loop, solid loop going. We're going to place the scarf around our neck, and the opposite end, we're going to push through that loop that you created. Again, be mindful not to draw too tight on it so that both ends have the opportunity to tighten. You're going to pull that loop forward or towards your chest and tighten the ends, making sure that one end is longer than the next. Ideally, the end that's longer is the end that you put inside the loop. Nice and easy. Now you're going to take that long end and you're going to flush it out, almost like widening it, just to give it a nice wide opening. What you're going to do next is you're going to make sure some space is between your neck and the scarf, and you're going to pull that widened part under and over. Once it's over nicely, you have the short piece that has been covered. It's going to nicely cover it, and you're going to fluff it out, fold it out, flush it out around your neckline, ideally towards the side of your neck, like right about your shoulders. Make sure it's like a napkin look, like a napkin fold like look. I love this as a nice little tucker because then the neck is all flushy and beautiful and I can tuck the loose end inside of my clothing. So this is a tie that you probably will have to do tucking into something. You can even tuck in this into a t-shirt. Tuck it in nicely. Make sure the rim is flushed out all the way to the side right there of your neck towards your shoulder. And if you're wearing something button up like I am here, you just button it up all the way enough to show that nice little tie of the scarf. I like the double button layering. It's almost like an onion peeling, just peeling off. The scarf is the bottom part of the onion. Then I have a layer and then another layer. Again, you can do this too just inside of a button down shirt. You can do this in a t-shirt. You could do this on a sweater. You can even do this on a high neck dress and it will still look darling and classy. Love this tie. This is my tucker. It's such a gorgeous way to tie a scarf. All right, this one is what I like to call my classy fanned out shawl. I love this tie when I am going out and I'm going to somewhere fancy or classy. And I'm going to use this really huge oversized scarf because the importance is kind of almost like replacing a jacket or cardigan. You're going to fold that oversized scarf into pleats. You're going to pleat the entire scarf. We're going to want it to really drape beautifully over our body. So you're going to use a really big scarf. Again, I will put scarf size in the description down below and also on screen. Once it's fully folded like that, we have some nice pleats going. We're going to take a little bit off the end, just as much as you're seeing right here, like probably, I don't know, like 4 inches or so. And you're going to use a rubber band or a hair tie or anything like that that has the color that matches the scarf because we want it to blend in nicely. I could have used a lighter color, but I was using what I have. And you're going to place that around your neck, even it out. You're going to use the opposite end. Just pull one of those pleats at the final end and you're going to push it through that part that you put the hair tie on. Once you push it through, just kind of like take your time to get it through. You don't have to worry about it being precise or exact or just clean and tapered. You can be a little bit disheveled with it with tying your scarves. Once you pull that through, you're going to see that you have that extra end and you have the pleated portions coming through from that hair tie. Super easy. Now, what you're going to do next is just play around with the way you're folding it and layering it on your body. You can layer it towards the back or you could bring it back to the side. Be certain to make sure that you're flushing out and fluffing out the ends right there so it folds beautifully. On the opposite side, you should have something almost like a triangle vibe going on. And your neckline also has a nice little coverage. I absolutely love this tie over dresses. Anything that I need some coverage, but I just want to look elegant and classy. It's such a gorgeous way to polish up a dress without wearing a cardigan or a jacket or anything like that. That's going to take away from you. Plus, when you have on a scarf like this over a dress, you have the option to just take it off and shawl it over your shoulder or drape it along your hand and kind of like switch the mood throughout the evening or the night or the day, wherever you are. Again, play around with flushing it out. The idea is to just have a hair tie pleated and you can really play around with the rest of it. Like on one end, I have the opposite end draping over one of my shoulder and the opposite end nicely laid. All right, everyone, that's it. 6 classy, gorgeous, elegant ways that you can tie your scarves for whatever occasion. Sometimes it's about dressing up an outfit that might just look flat. Sometimes it's like going out in a beautiful, gorgeous, elegant dress and you don't want to put on like a sweater or a cardigan, whatever it is, however it is that it flows into your wardrobe, into your style, everyday or occasion. I hope you found these useful. Let me know in the comment section if there's any particular way of styling scarves in this video you are gonna try, or if you saw one of your favorites that you've always worn. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.